I'm a shooter, I'm shooting. Bow, 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 bow.
Okay.
I actually have been looking at this and I'm like, dang, I actually have a really nice camera and I want to go take some pictures because it's actually a really beautiful day. So I'm going to go do that, have some POV of the photos, and then I'll put them all on the screen, you know, whatever. You've seen the whole deal. Going to pack up all my stuff, head out, and then look for some spots, take some pictures, maybe have a couple clips, and then try to put up some of my beats over it so that there's some relaxing tunes while you guys are watching it. So enjoy. I think that's it. So see you guys. We'll drive this bitch off on the freeway, hitting at least about 100. Okay. Unveil these bitches. Okay. I'm thinking maybe. Alright, just watch my back, yeah, so I don't get ran over. Center of a stop there. Get this lady in there. Oh, huh? Pretty good. Yeah. Let's see. Ooh.
I'll let you know.
Boom. If I'm a shooter, I'm shooting. Bow, 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 bow. Thing on you at all times, you know what I mean? Are you stuck? Oh.
Got it. What?
Pick up my boy right here. Oh. Alright. I found this Lambo right here. Let's get this. Damn.
Okay.